Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Toyota Center parking garage in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Schindler 500A traction elevators as well, which is just exactly like the one at the Hilton Americas and the Georgia Brown Convention Center parking garage. Those escalators over there are turned off, so I'm not going to bother riding those. Anyways, we're going to ride these. We got this one right here. Seven. See, that's the Toyota Center right there. Oh, look at that skyline view downtown Houston. Look at that interlock right there. This is just like the one in the Hilton Convention Center parking garage. Your fixtures. This elevator's a lot smoother than the other one. I'm gonna send this away. There's people out there. Alright, now we will call the other elevator. And it's about here. Here it is. You can barely hear that chime still humming again. Alright, I'm gonna get a still of these fixtures here. 7. Alright, let's go back down to one end there. Looks like somebody vandalized the ceiling. This is just exactly like the other one. The fixtures. Looks like those brails are rubbed off. Alright. There it goes, and that's it. Oh, look right here. It's got an annunciator. I didn't even realize that. This right here is your elevator annunciator. That is cool. And those over there are the elevators I just came out of. Alright, let's get another view of that. I really like that annunciator. Alright, that's it.